Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of Happy Life. Well, in this video I would like to tell you about a quote that I had came over today, that is don't sweat over small stuff. That is, in life there will be many negative movements, there will be many positive movements in fact, or most of the time of our life goes on either neutral or positive. But due to those very small negative moment, or that small narrow timeline of negative moment that gets imprinted in our mind, we tend to think over and over again about those negative things, negative moments only, and all our life gets all the good things that have happened in our life, or all the not so good things but neutral things that have happened in our life, gets overshadowed by this a very small band of, or a very small amount of negative things. Those are those which we face in our life. The quote says, or that article says, that 2-3 lines that somebody has written says that, for example, if you have $86,400 in your bank account, or with your briefcase, or in your purse, for example, and somebody stole $10 from it, so would you cry over it and let go of everything, saying that why that $10 has been stolen? Obviously no. You will just move on, or rather it is too insignificant to even think about or think of those stolen $10 amount, because you know very well that $86,400 that you had, that is far greater and more important than this a minuscule $10 that has been stolen. The same thing that the author or the writer of this quote is trying to mean is that we have 86,400 seconds a day in our life. If like 10 seconds, or for example 1000 seconds also somebody stole it in negativity, should we go thinking over and over again about those negative 1000 seconds? Well, obviously no, because they are a very great opportunity of 86,000, or for example 85,000, if 1000 is taken out from that, 85,000 seconds to enjoy, to live our life. So why cry over those only 1000 seconds? Well, many people have also commented for this post that it's not so easy, it's easier said than done, it's not practical, but this is the thing that happens in our life. This is human tendency. Some paper has also been researched, if I may look into that comment. He's saying that some brommister in a paper, he said that bad is stronger than good. He's saying that there could be 5 to 10 good things that happen in a day, but that single or 1 or 2 bad things that happens in the whole day, that gets imprinted, that gets the greater attention of our mind, of our life, and we waste all our good things, good time in thinking over, in reacting, in emotionally being negative, emotionally down because of those 1 or 2 bad things. So here what people are saying is, yes, humans are designed in a certain way, they will behave in that way only, but there is something called a conscious mind. If we think this stupidity happening in our mind, that instead of enjoying those 5 to 10 good things, we are concentrating on those little 2 things, we'll get to know how stupid is our mind. Then you would start rectifying, or start correcting yourself not to get involved too much in those negativities. So friends, the basic thing is that it may not be practical, it may not be easier, but this is the fact. If we think logically, we can get a great lot of enthusiasm, energy for our life, even in our dire negative situations which we may face someday. So I think this is what I had to say in this video about this quote. I hope it brings a little bit of more positivity in you, which surely, for sure, would make your day. So be positive, enjoy life is short. Don't worry about negative things, it will come and go, like positive things as well. Get ahead in your life, have good friends, have good time, avoid negativity, because life is too short to even like give or spend or invest those very precious moments in those negativity. Yes, you thought about it, finish, you can't do anything. If you can do, go ahead. If you can't do, leave it, move on. So this is what I had to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video across various platforms, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Happy Life for getting more of such inspirational videos. I hope it inspires you, more videos that would certainly make your life more happy. That's our goal. See you again, see you soon. Keep watching Happy Life. Thank you.